Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Red, orange, chocolate, blue, green, violet, A. Say with me, A. A for ant.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
B. Say with me, B. B for bag.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
C. Say with me, C. C for car. D. Say with me, D. D for dog. E. Say with me, E. E for eggplant. F. Say with me, F. F for fish. G. Say with me, G. G for girl. H. Say with me, H. H for hand. I. Say with me, I. I for ink. J. Say with me, J. J for jug. K. Say with me, K. K for king. L. Say with me, L. L for lemon. M. Say with me, M. M for mango. N. Say with me, N. N for nest. O. Say with me, O. O for octopus. Say with me. P. P for piano.
A, B, C, D, E,
Q.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Say with me.
Q, R, S,
Q.
T, U, V, W,
Q for
Y, and Z.
queen.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
R. Say with me.
A, B, C,
R.
E, F, G,
R for
K, L, M, N, O, P,
river.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
S.
now I know my ABCs.
Say with me.
Time, won't you
S.
sing with me?
S for sheep. T. Say with me. T. T for tiger. U.
C, D, E, F, G,
Say with me.
K, L, M, N, O, P,
U.
Q, R, S,
U for
W,
university.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
V. Say with me. V. V for virus.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
W.
T, U, V, W,
Say with me.
Y, and
W.
now I know my
W for
next time, won't you
watermelon. X. Say with me. X. X for X-ray. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zebra. Subscribe for more videos.